friends, Running Commander here. So this is my little $20 basket that was a very large money maker today. I had both a paper and a digital booster for that, and it turned out really well. I've been finding a little bit of clearance shampoo, so I wanted to talk about this, and this is very specialized psoriasis shampoo for my mother, but there's a whole host of shampoos. We're going to talk about that. We have the very inexpensive Purex. These are big mamas, like 85 loads. Very happy about that. And we have some very inexpensive paper products as well. And then a quick little Walmart deal. I was not able to track these down, but I finally did, so I have a deal if you might have this coupon from one of the inserts recently. The weather report for you guys, it's a winter wonderland outside. Hi to my mom if she's watching. I hope she's having a terrific day. Okay, so the first store we're going to talk about is Walgreens, and I just did a quick little mismatch of deals that include 2 tubes of the children's Crest toothpaste, 4 of these soft soaps, and then 3 of the Garnier hair products, like hairspray. I'm going to go through this. You know what? I actually went through all of this on my Friday video if you want to go and watch it. But doing this with a booster, we're just gonna go through the whole basket. So all of this stuff was $20.45. So these 2 Crests are $3.98 when you buy, or they're $1.99. When you buy 2 for $3.98, you get back a $2 register reward, which is right here. Unfortunately, I didn't have a digital coupon, but I wanted to throw something in the basket that was producing a register reward, so that's what I did. These soft soap, these tinier ones, they are $1.99. So buy one, get one 50% off. So for 4 of them, that's $5.97. And then you get back a $4 register reward. Now, a question a couple of you had was, can I use a $5 store register reward with this? And the answer to that is yes. And we do have a 75-cent digital for this as well. Now the Garnier are 2 for $7, and the third one will ring up for $3.50. When you spend $10, you get back this $5 store coupon. So for this whole basket, guys, it was $20.45. That include the 4 hand soaps, the 2 tubes of toothpaste, and the 3 hairsprays. Now I had a $6 back when you spend 20 booster, plus the digital I had on this card was spend 20, get back 5. I had a $3 register reward from Quilted Northern, so the cashier scanned these first and that $3 register reward attached to this. And I had a 3 off for the Garnier, a $1 off for the Garnier, and a 75 center for the soft soap. So that's $4.75 of digital coupons, plus the $3 register reward that attached to this. So after all of that, I paid $12.69 with my debit card because I'm using spend boosters with, and I got back $11 in Walgreens cash. 6 for the paper booster, and then 5 for the digital booster. And then I also got back $11 in register rewards. A 4 back for the soft soap, a $5 back for the Garnier, and then a $2 back for Mr. Crest. So after everything is said and done, it's like a $6 money maker, which is really fantastic. So I'm really happy about that. Even at the very least, if you're gonna go do the soft soap and the Garnier, if you do not have a booster, those are 2 solid deals this week. Okay, so the Purex, I was able to do this deal this morning. So these guys are $7.99 each. So for 2 of them, that's $15.98. We have a $3 digital for this guy. Plus I also threw in a $5 store coupon. It attached to that guy. And then I also threw in $5 of Walgreens cash. So I paid $2.98 plus tax. And then I got back $3 of Walgreens cash for buying the two. And IBOTTA is giving back $4 for each. Now I know not everybody has the same IBOTTA rebate, but I was able to do it this morning, no problems, no issues. If you don't have the store register reward or Walgreens cash, it still shakes out to $1.98 for the two after the $3 of Walgreens cash and the $8 back from IBOTTA. That really has a time ticker on it too for the IBOTTA rebates to do it sooner than later. My mother-in-law I'm probably going to be gifting these to her. My husband and some of the men in the family are going hunting, so I'm sure she's going to have some stuff to clean, and this is a fantastic detergent, you know, for outdoor clothing, that sort of a thing. So I'm happy to get these two, and that's a lot of detergent, like 85 loads. You know, there's a lot of hair clearance that's at 50% right now, and at 50% it's no great shakes. However, this is the exception. If you have eczema, psoriasis, or really bad scalp conditions, my mom does. So to see the shampoo even at 50% off, I snagged all of it. So these are $4.99 for this MG217, really awesome name for a shampoo. I mean, I sound so clinical. And then this one, it's called Neutrogena Daily Control Tea Gel. This is a very good one. So they're all $4.99, and what I did was I bought them in two separate transactions. So $9.98 for the two. I used $5 store coupon or the store register reward because it would be perfect with clearance, and then used $5 in Walgreens cash and paid the tax. And I did the same for these guys. Bunch of different shampoos, everything from like Aveeno, Neutrogena. So it's at 50%, which is still a bit rich. When it hits 90, I think it's on, but we'll just have to wait and see. But even for this, because it is such a specialized thing, my mother has really bad psoriasis, and this sort of stuff, even at Walmart, is almost impossible to find right now. It's like it must be on a shipping container freight right off the coast of California, because this is hard to find up here. You can find anything else, but this is very, very hard to find. So if I only got 4, but if you suffer from psoriasis or, you know, scalp, very, very sensitive scalp, you might want to go to Walgreens and look for it. And utilizing this store coupon to get it a little bit cheaper, I think that's a very smart use of them. So very delighted to get these 4. Okay, so I of course had to do a quick paper deal. So these guys are $5.25 each. Yes, they jumped the price of this on us. It used to be like $4.94, but hey, it's not $1 more, so it's not the worst thing. So we have the little 4-pack of the Charmin, and these are quite large. And then these, look how big these are. I opted for these 2 instead of the 6 because I think this is a better one, the Charmin or the Bounty Green. Maybe I'm wrong, but I just think it's a better roll. And I'm always cleaning up little accidents from our kitties, so very delighted to get all this paper towel. So for the 4 guys, it's $21, and we have a digital for the Charmin Blue and the Bounty. So after all of that, it was $19. Now, for whatever reason, I was talking to the cashier and I forgot to give him my $5 store coupon. So I just used $20 in Walgreens cash, and then I got back this $6 register reward. If I would have given him the $5 store coupon, it would have been like, you know, I used $10 and pay 4 out of pocket and then get back that 6, which would have been a lot smarter. But I just used $20 in Walgreens cash. I guess I was feeling rich today. Very delighted with my little haul. I will be going back and doing a couple deals on Hubby Store card, but delighted with what I got today. So the last little dealio that we have is over at Walmart, and I'm not really a big Walmart IBOTTA shopper. I used to be back in the day, but just not so big anymore on that, just because the store is rather crowded, and I really don't like crowded. It's not for me right now, and I think a lot of you can understand what I'm saying. So anyhow, this is one item I was looking for and it was not in stock, but I did go to a different Walmart and I found it. So these finished tabs, it's the 12 count, they are $3.77. In the Smart Source insert, the one I think closer to Halloween, we have this $2 and it's off of any of these quantums. So it would drop it down to $1.77 after coupons, and IBOTTA has $1.50 back. So it makes this bag 27 cents. And I did this over a couple of days because this coupon is like 2 per person or else. But I was able to get a couple of these really inexpensive. So if you like the finished tabs, this might be a dealio for you. Now calling all Rite Aid shoppers, this is the Black Friday preview. I will link it at the very end if you wish to watch it. It's from the 25th, 26th, and 27th. So a 3-day sale, and we have 4 freebies. So it's better than absolutely nothing. I'm still waiting on the Walgreens Black Friday preview. And once I have that, I will make subsequent videos for you guys. But for all Rite Aid shoppers, we do have some freebies. So just ending the video. Thank you so much for watching, and here's a little bit of the beautiful vista in my backyard. I will catch you guys in the next one.